Hey everyone, this is a quick unboxing of the Fenix WT20R multifunction work light with an adjustable head. It seems to have a 5-year warranty. The Fenix brand is awesome, I think. Well, I was just recently introduced to this brand of lights, and I'm really impressed with what I have seen thus far. This one has a 2000 milliampere battery. You can also put 2 AA batteries in here. It has a magnetic tail, so you can stick it on something metal. Has a spot and floodlight mode. The adjustable head is handy, and as you can see from the dark image here, you can kind of stick it on your working jacket and then bend the light forward. So I think that's handy. You can of course use it also as a torch. The Lumen output, 400 lumens, that's quite strong. In the high mode with a runtime of 3.5 hours. In medium mode with 150 lumens, it's 10 hours runtime, and in the low mode, well, I guess it's pretty long. Let's check what's under here. What is that? Yeah, 21 hours in the low mode. Oh, that's the floodlight. Yeah, 21 hours for the spotlight. Low mode or floodlight also 21 hours. The distance 117 meters in the high mode. That's very far. What else would be interesting? Impact resistance. Okay, waterproof, IP66 rated, so that's also very good. Okay, let's do the quick unboxing. So I must admit I already did open the box to just check out what's in here. Underneath there's a manual, there's a micro USB charging cable, there are some additional O-rings, and it seems it's a strap for the camera. Sorry, not for the camera, for the light. So this is the light. The build quality is very good. This is the clip which you can put it somewhere in your coat or hang it somewhere. It has a magnet on the tail, so I can find some metal. Let's try. Yeah, so it sticks on the metal, and I guess if you would have a shelf, then you can bend this head. So if you would stick it like that, you could point to light, or I don't know, maybe car repair or something like that. Seems handy. Can stick it somewhere. What else? Yeah, this is the power button. Nothing will happen because there's it comes with open it here, lift the clip open. There's an O-ring around here, so it's very well sealed, and it has a cover so that the battery doesn't drain. This is the battery, but you could also run it with those AA batteries. So okay, and yeah, actually the micro USB is here for charging. I already fully charged it, but it does ship with an initial charge. So just clip it in and close the lid. I turned a bit the lights down so that you can see the light in action. If you press once, it seems it illuminates the power button. If you long press, I think this is the first brightness. Then click again to get a bit brighter, and again some more brightness. And okay, I actually didn't read the manual on this, so okay, I can see that there are two. The other one is a spotlight and the other one is a floodlight. So let's point it at my garage door here, and let's just turn it off again. Long press to turn on. I don't know, is this spotlight or floodlight? Mixed brightness. Okay, it seems to, okay now, yeah, wow. I guess this is the floodlight. This lower mode. Okay, sorry, I really need to read the manual on this, but in conclusion I would say that it does provide a lot of light, so I highly recommend the Fenix lights. And if you're interested in seeing a full review or seeing more light related videos, please leave a comment down below and consider subscribing. So hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.